Today I have a brand new ball from DV8 called the Dark Side Curse. One is out of box factory finish and one I hit with a little 1500 pad. They both got the same layout on them, 30 by 4.5 by 20. Let's see which one I'm gonna like more, whether the shiny or the one with a little bit of surface on it. Oh, it's clearly the one with surface. Hook, hook. If they both go in the gutter when I do that, I don't know how I'm gonna strike. In today's video, we will be doing a race to 6 strikes with each. I'll talk about where they fit in the bag, where you might like them. Can't argue with that one.
Ball ran over the 9-pin.
Ran over the 9-pin, and you're gonna see me pick up my phone quite a bit because you know what happens when I don't keep track. I forget. I called my buddies over at Brunswick, Tim Gillick in the research department, just to give me a little more information about this ball. And he gave me some cool things about the core that DV8's been doing lately. There's a link on the DV8 page where you can actually get this ball mapped out and drill into a spot in the core to make it actually flare more, hook more, and make the ball more asymmetric. So the higher you bump that differential up, the more it's gonna hook. I laid mine out, or both of mine out, to bump that differential way up. So I drilled, there's 2 little knobs on the core. I drilled straight into one of them. No surface, I'm gonna go 2 left. Oh. Snap the 7 late. Hiya. I mis-rotated a little bit. Got a little further up the back than I wanted to. Cash. Back on that core talk a little bit. Drilling a ball stronger, I tend to like surface on the ball, which is why if I was to guess, we're racing to 6 strikes, I would take the surface one. Stronger layout, I like the whole thing to be stronger. Stronger cover, stronger core.
You're matching the cover to the core.
Yeah, you're trying to match the cover to the core. I want this ball to be strong in all aspects. Let's throw a better shot here. I said I was on the approach. You can replay the clip. Let's throw a better shot here. Is it a ball review if I don't throw at least one horrible shot? That's so good. That's so good. Damn, that shot was good. I just hit it with 1500 just to kind of knock some of that shine off the ball that it comes with. I don't like to look at the numbers, but I just like to kind of throw the ball and then see where it fits compared to some other balls in my bag right now. If you were to compare it to one of my balls, what would you say?
The Effect Tour, yeah.
Yeah, similar, like a little bigger than that maybe, a little
yeah,
slower.
It's a little earlier and a little, and not quite as much down lane.
Yeah, same for me. I would compare it to the Alert, but also the Alert in terms of overall hook, but maybe even a little more overall hook, but definitely like a slower, smoother shape on the lane.
To me, it looks like if you hit your Effect Tour with surface,
it would be similar.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's a bigger core than that, and the way I drilled it is making it even bigger than that. So polish. I think, oh, chance, it's been a while. It's been a while since I could tell that ball hooked at the arrows. Like with the surface one, I'm a little further inside and giving it a little more shape. I think I just need to move on to that same spot. Rules on the channel, everybody. You make a split, it counts as a strike. Right now I'm 3 for 3 with the surface one. I'm 1 for 2 with this one. Chance to go 2 for 3.
Comment if you think the PBA should adopt our split rule.
Oh, so bad. 1? That's so bad. Just throw it to a spot that would hit the pocket. Back to the surface. I think I'm just standing in the wrong spot with the shiny one. Hook, hook. Hook, hook. 4-piece. Front 4.
Sounds cool because it doesn't boomerang off the friction when you miss out.
They put a new cover on this, brand new cover, made to be more of a control piece, and I am for sure seeing that when I hit it with a little surface to kind of match that up. The polish on the ball makes it a little quick, but even just a simple like 1500 pad or 2000 Aberlon pad before I bowl league is going to make this thing never miss the pocket for 36 shots.
What I'm seeing out of the one with the surface is it looks like if you're someone who struggles in league when they get cliffy, so you miss outside and it overhooks, this ball is not overhooking when Packy misses out.
I'd agree, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can see like much more down lane shape with the polished one. That one was good. I think I just need to keep moving. Like, very simple, just need to keep chasing it in. I did a great job lining up before we started and before we hit the record button with the one with surface. Cash. Cash. I mean, what else can I say? 5 for 5. If you get one of these balls and you want one of these balls, which I think is a very different Brunswick ball than we've seen in the past. This polished one, I would leave for the house shots, and the surfaced one, I would bring to tournaments. Tournaments usually require more of a longer hook window. I was gonna say 124, come on now. Available on the house website right now. You can actually opt in for a surface adjustment just like mine, 1500 pad, and the boys at Buddy's Pro Shop will fill that out for you. So all we gotta do is order it $144.95. Two-handed drilling or two-finger drilling for only 20 bucks, a surface adjustment for 5. You can get this exact ball just like mine to your door, 170. Do you even wanna shoot 300? If I'm gonna say, do you even wanna shoot 300? This one needs to strike. I'm gonna move, I gotta move. Last one went super high flush, so I just bumped in a couple with the feet. Same spot down lane. Did I throw the one with surface better? Maybe. Do I keep throwing it until it misses? Yeah, okay. 6 for 6. I'll throw the shiny one first. I mean, that looks great. Was I standing in the wrong spot and throwing it too fast? Absolutely. Like, that looked awesome from there. The surface one for sure is the matchup. I went 2 for 6 with the polished one, 6 for 6 with this one. Overall, 8 for 12, that's high percentage. That's where we like to be for our ball videos, for like a good ball. Now I'm gonna throw the surface one until I miss. Seven. Often house shots, you have a problem, or at least I have a problem, once they get a little cliff, and I think because this ball isn't as sharp as some of the balls that I've seen in the past from the Brunswick brands, and this one really controls the pocket, it's gonna be great when you see that over under and you might need to just bump a little closer to it. This one's not gonna see the friction and just go like dead right or dead left off your hand.
So in simple terms, if you guys go high when you miss outside in league, this ball will help mitigate that.
Oh, so bad. Like that one. Send it to the left by accident, spin it with the hand, and it still is like mellow enough and smooth enough down lane. 8 for 8. That's money. 9 for 9. Yeah, that ball, I mean, it's not like it's like barely getting the 7 out or messengering the 10, and I've moved as I go. Stepping up in the 10th here. Might need to move again after this one. Maybe not. Wasn't even my best effort there. Hand a little around it, shot a little left down lane. 10 for 10. When's the last time we shot 300 during a ball video? Was it that vibe?
The now famous Arctic vibe.
Now famous Arctic vibe. I think that's the only one we've had. $11 in a row. Can we get 12?
I mean, you've got me convinced.
Yeah, you want one of these?
Every time I think it's gonna boomerang off the friction,
It just
goes high flush.
Bang. 11 for 11. Please. It's been a while since I've shot 300.
Like 10 days.
I was just about to say before we shot this video, I was on my way over, and I'll honor it, because I was on my way over here and I was like, man, you know what we should do to start every ball video? We should give one away if I shoot 300 during the video. We'll start off with this one, and it's our first ball video in a minute. Congrats to whoever the winner is out there. But if you want one of these for free, have to hit that subscribe button and enter the giveaway. We're throwing it down below in the description. And if you want one guaranteed, go to housebowling.com. Like we said, you can get out of there. If you're two-handed, you can get out of there for 170. If not, you can get out of there for 190, full drilled to your house. And if you just want to buy the ball and you want your pro shop guy to drill it, it's $144.95. Go to housebowling.com. You can grab this ball, other balls, or any merch you want that we make. Go to housebowling.com, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.